Hey guys, so welcome back. I am going to be planning the week of June 3rd through June 9th. And as you can see, I've already written some things in and laid the bottom washi because I've already tried to attempt to film this once and was rudely interrupted. So now I'm coming back and redoing it. Also, hints of that, I've already, have some things written down. But the kit that I am using is Planner Kate's kit in 130A, and this is a sampler. And I usually always get the sampler. Ooh, come back out. And then also, I don't usually do this, but I found these while I was digging through my desk, is this compliment card matches perfectly. It says the comeback is always stronger than the setback. And I just found some of these little 2-inch cool clips. And I'm just going to use that as my page marker this week because it matches so pretty. So, we're going to go ahead and get started. As you can see right now, all that I've really got laid down is mine and my husband and my son's hours for school. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started on this side of the page, and then we'll flip over and do the other. Go ahead and zoom y'all in so you can kind of see what's going on. So this week is a very big week because it is my sister-in-law's baby shower week that I have been planning. And that's another reason I'm using this kit, is because it matches the colors of her shower perfectly. She wanted kind of a celestial theme to her shower, and I was like, okay. And I went digging through Pinterest, and everything I kept pulling up was kind of along this color scheme. And so when I went digging through and organizing my stickers for what weeks I was going to use them on, I found this kit and I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to be perfect for her baby shower week. Also, we have a big benefit concert this week that supports our local hospice house that my company is a large sponsor in, so that is also at the end of the week. And right now I'm just laying down some washi notifying that my son has no school this entire week as well, because the facility that he attends does VBS this week, and they use his classroom, so he will not be attending this week due to Vacation Bible School. Okay, so let's go ahead and lay down. Ooh, I'm hoping that all this stays down. If not, it's not the most hugest of deal. I can always get some tape and make it work. But right now I'm just laying down some of these skinny boxes on the sidebar. I use this to just kind of like things I need to do sometime during the week but don't need to do on a specific day. And then I do a to call and a to go. And again, that's just because that's just kind of where it lands. I need to do it someday this week, but it doesn't really matter on what day. Ooh, that's crooked. I just noticed how crooked that is. There we go. Much better. So there's this side of the week. It's kind of nothing. Alright, sorry about that guys. My battery died. So if this is kind of like somewhat interrupted, you know why. So this is the first half of the week. There's really nothing going on besides that my mother-in-law is picking up my son from the office because she is watching him this entire week. Because he is out of school, and so she works at within our local school system, and they are out for the summer. And so, and then like I said, I've just got my husband and my son's schedule in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and work on this side, and this weekend is slammed. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you can see more of what is going on. So I've kind of I used to put the weekend banner on the bottom of the page, and I've recently gotten back to putting it back up here because now that my husband and I have normal 9 to 5 Monday through Friday jobs. I don't need this section for writing my husband or my hours. So now this just kind of is like an overflow, this whole side, unless it's something crazy, kind of runs as an hourly. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up putting the stickers on this side. I love these cute little work stickers. I don't know how that's gonna work in my new one because I don't have header bars, but it does actually have a tiny little header bar. So I'm gonna hope that that works and looks normal. I had the day off on Fridays. Now I'm an accountant and we work 7 days a week from January 1st through the weekend that tax season ends. And then for the rest of the year we work Monday through Thursday. So we have every Friday off from now until the end of tax season. I mean, until tax season comes back around. So let me go ahead and put the rest of Eli's schedule runner. And this is just noting that my aunt actually watches my son on Thursdays. So there's that. And now, oh, I forgot to put the page flag on the other side. Oh well, I don't have the spot to actually do the flags, so I just kind of make a spot. But since I don't have any place that's directly, it's kind of a 50-50 shot whether I'm gonna get it kind of cute or if it's gonna be cattywampus. So there's that. And these stickers will go back down laying flat completely when I close the book for a little bit. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go ahead and mark mine and my husband's paydays. My husband is paid every Thursday and I am paid every Friday. So I just lay those down right there. And this one did say payday on it, but because it is a little bit bigger than this one comes with the kit, and this is just another one that's been ordered. It's the same size as this day off one, but it kind of overlapped and I didn't like the way that looked, so I just kind of ripped off the the day. So it just says pay and that one says payday. Alrighty, so let me go ahead and I use these little bill labels to notate when bills are drafting, because a lot of our bills are on auto draft, and so I go ahead and just mark them with these little check bill boxes, whatever you want to call them, and I just check them off when they clear our bank. So now moving on to Saturday. Saturday is going to be crazy because the North Atlanta Wild for Planners is having a meetup in North Atlanta at the IKEA, and so we're all going there. And then also I think my son and my in-laws and my husband are gonna go to our local festival style thing. The local flower place is having a little festival celebrating the daylilies, so that's what we're doing there. And so then about 4 o'clock we need to drop my son off at my niece is watching him because we have a benefit concert that night to raise money for our local hospice house, which has a very special meaning because that's where my brother and my grandmother were at before they passed away. And then that night we are staying at a hotel, not on purpose because we intend on drinking or anything, but because my sister-in-law's shower is being held at the same hotel the following day, and so we just rented a room to be there so we didn't have to carry a bunch of stuff everywhere. So we'll probably have church streamed in the hotel room at about 11. Our church does service at 9:30 and 11 on Sundays, and 4:30 and 6 on Saturdays. And so my sister-in-law's shower is at 1 p.m. that Sunday. And let me flip back over and put this flag in up here. It's gonna drive me bonkers having it on one side and not the other. I just kind of like lay my finger up there and hope that I get it lined up. So far, this is what the full week is looking like. Let me zoom you out just a little bit so you can kind of see. This kit is really, really pretty, and I really enjoy it. Let me put the dots over here because I kind of feel like I want to put the dots over there. But this week is going to be kind of a stressful style week. The very end will be, because the following week my son is having surgery, and this mama is very nervous because my baby is only 6.5 months old. By the time the surgery is, he will be a week shy of 7 months old, and my heart, I'm not sure, is going to be able to handle my sweet 7-month-old going under, because the surgery he has to be put under for. And so, ooh, that is crooked. And so my little mama heart that's still crooked, but it's a lot better than it was. My little mama heart is very, very terrified for my little boy. But I know he'll be all right. He's at his surgery is going to be at one of the best hospitals in the Southeast for children. So it's okay, but it doesn't mean that my heart isn't still terrified. So that is what we're looking at right now. I will go back and fill in probably some more throughout the week, because things will just fill in right here, especially when I decide to figure out when I'm doing these. And then I'm probably going to find my Coffee Break Planner stickers. Let's see if I can find those real quick. There they are. I mean, how pretty. This is, oh, I love when she did these. I wish these would be back on her shop permanently. But these are her scallop boxes, and I'm going to actually find the light purple. Should I do the light purple or the dark purple? Let's do the light purple. And use those to label my videos for the week. Not 100% sure what they will be, but it will be on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Not 100% sure what this is going to be, but I know one will be a plan with me, one will be a budget, and one will be a lifestyle. So until next time, guys, I hope that y'all have a fantastic week and y'all have enjoyed this, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.